The state BJP Vice President and MDC from Tura, N Marak, who had recently escaped police dragnet, has been absconding following a raid at his farmhouse in Tura on the 22nd of July 2022. It may be reminded that the raid had been conducted after police received word of illicit activities at the MDC's farmhouse Rimpu Bagan at Edenbari in Tura. During the raid, over 40 people were arrested by the West Garo Hills police for their involvement in illegal sexual activities at Rimpu Bagan. The Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Pres Tuntun, who had responded to queries by media persons on the incident, informed that the matter is with the police and that, irrespective of those involved, the state government will not interfere in the investigation procedure as law should be left to take its own course.
See, the police, before conducting any raid, they need to also get a solid information. Solid information has to be done. Due diligence has to be done. Due homework has to be done by the police. Otherwise, why should you just go and raid? Why not then they raid to anybody's house? That's what I'm telling you. It takes a lot of time. I think information being collected on daily basis, then ultimately they take a decision that they will raid the house.
Will it affect the government since BJP they threatened to pull out?
See, I'm telling you, law is law, irrespective of whether you are part of the government or not. As I said to you now, of course BJP is part of the MDA government. But what are we going to do in case if these unpleasant things happen? Should we just keep quiet? Are you trying to say that when the police has already got all the inputs that we need to do something, we need to raid or we need to, go and take further investigation? I don't say that being the government, we should stop that. No, we will not. That's what I'm telling you, irrespective of any party, but let the law take its own. Well,